nishimiye gukorana nawe. Hari ikindi ushaka kumbwira? Chopra ari kugushaka. Itacho. Yeah. Nakorino.
Got a second?
Before you say anything, I've protocol comment.
Mva nakurikisha amabwiriza yose y'ibyiri Mercedes. Nazira video badukoze kuri TikTok. Nabikurikiranye.
Okay, then you can forget what I just said.
Ibyo mvuze byibagirwe nako.
There's an opening to lead the FTF out of Seattle.
Umva hari umwanya uhari w'umuyobozi muri Seattle.
For the job.
Ako kazi ndumva nakoherezayo kajya kuhayobora.
I expect a little more enthusiasm.
Mbona so bitakunejeje cyane. Biranejeje biragaragara.
You caught me off guard.
Kusura ntunguye nyine hari ahantu bashaka kumwohereza.
Over here one day.
Numva gano nahaguma nk'undi munsi.
Never gonna retire.
No.
Max w'igitangaza nawe harabura igihe gito ngo yegure.
You are a good agent.
Uri agent mwiza.
Not enough.
Gusa naguhagije.
Someone in your corner.
Ukeneye n'umuntu ugufasha.
I need to know you're ready.
Nyine kumenya ko witeguye umwanya kuba wawuyobora. Nditeguye. Barashaka kumwohereza ahantu ku buryo yagiye akayobora. Aka kazi ndagashaka.
Grab your stuff.
What's going on?
David Burrows just escaped from Briggs.
David Burrows aratorotse muri gereza turashize. Mukobwa makuru amugezeho. David Burrows aracitse muri gereza.
Details are still coming in, but we do know that Burrows kidnapped the warden before
Murabizi ko Burrows yabanje gushimuta Warden imbere yuko atoroka gereza. Afite imbunda ni mubi cyane. Amaze isaha ari gucika.
You're not from Boston, are you?
Yari yarafungiye iki nago turuka muri Boston.
Child to death with a face.
Uwo mugabo yakubise umuhini umwana we mu mutwe aramwica imyaka 5 ishize. Urebe.
Flight time is 1 hour.
Indege igiye kudutwara mu gihe kingana n'isaha.
The time we touch down.
Tujye kugera hasi abaje n'amaguru. Namwe mwageze. Urebe. Ntago ugenda. We nagugenda.
Julie talking about.
We na Julie mwaganiraga ibiki?
Stupid TikTok video.
Ni video by'ama TikTok by'ubugoryi. Telefone.
Agent Williams.